What's up and good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2019 Ram 3500 dually brought in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. We're here at VVW headquarters. I don't know if you guys have seen this shop. This is the shop I work a lot with. If you want any sort of wraps done, you come to this place. These are the guys to go to. I'll put the link down below. And yes, this car came straight from the dealership, factory built. This car was not sitting on the lot. This car was custom ordered and brought to me directly for a paint correction and ceramic coating. And I don't know if this is going to show up on camera. If you guys look closely, there's already little swirls and marring built up on this truck. And like I said, it's a brand new 2019, has like 17 miles on it from the dealership to here. And over on the passenger side, if you look right here, you see a bunch of little swirls and scratches. A lot of water spots. I don't know how that happened, maybe from the dealership. By the way, the car's been dropped off for a week over here to get this car dialed, to get the truck dialed in. And guys, if you know anything about ceramic coatings and paint corrections, it's a very long, patient process. It takes 3 to 5 days worth of work to get it completely dialed in. So sit back, enjoy the video, and eat a bowl of popcorn. I don't know, just enjoy. It's a very satisfying video. Hope you guys like it. Anyways, enjoy. Alright, so Big Lou's truck is now all done. Everything has been paint corrected and ceramic coated, but I do not do any sort of clear brow work, so we're here at 5 Point Auto Detailing, and they're doing the clear brow for the hood, bumpers, and headlights. Eddie's over there doing the same exact thing, but his truck is not coated yet. Also, stay tuned for the giveaway. Like I said, 1,000 subscribers are doing a giveaway, so I'm trying to figure out a platform and how to do it. Still trying to figure that part out, but for now, stick around. That's all I got for you guys today. If you guys did like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, press the subscribe button, stick around for more detailing clips. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.